Second point is this, that is why you fielded Yogi Adityanath in the debate on the communal violence issue in Parliament. You thought you would raise his profile, you would make love jihad the centerpiece. I am asking you today, will you continue to give Yogi Adityanath up, make him the face of your party in UP after today? Answer please, Siddharth. People are watching you.
Mr. Arnab Goswami,
yes, sir.
Without interruption from your side, please, for a second, you shouldn't be listening to your voice so often.
No, I'm listening to
Allow
you,
us
Mr.
also.
Siddharth Nathe. I want to hear an answer.
Yogi Adityanath, no, come on. If you're going to do that, I'm not speaking. I prefer to be just looking and hearing everybody.
Continue.
Yogi Adityanath ji is a leader of BJP, won election not once, twice. He's won, if I'm not wrong, 4 times. So leave that aside. Now the second question comes, did our BJP strategy in whichever form went wrong in UP election this time? I would say yes.
Yeah,
but
that's it.
The factors which you are
and
trying
what was
to
the
impose
strategy?
on us is certainly not agreeable
What was
by
the
me.
strategy, sir?
Because, please.
Be honest with me.
Please allow me. No, I am honest with you. You be honest as an anchor to me to allow me to give me a chance. If 5 are asking me questions and you don't want to hear me, where do I go? I have to raise my voice unnecessarily then. That's against my nature. You will not agree, I know you will not agree, but by-elections is primarily an issue based locally. It depends on the candidates, it depends on those local factors. And if you are trying to extrapolate because of Yogi Adityanath ji, which is your assumption, then why?
Okay, response is Shahid Siddiqui. No, 1 minute. I tell you, 1 minute. Shahid Siddiqui. No, 1 minute, one at a time.
It's not working for you.
Rita ji, I don't think you have a moral right even to speak. Samajwadi Party asking me is fair enough, but what have you done? What have you achieved in Uttar Pradesh?
1 minute, taking on Siddharth. Let me moderate this. Taking on Siddharth at this stage will be.
Congratulate you for Bengal.
No, 1 second. No, we can do the congratulations on Bengal. You know one thing, Sabha. I don't believe in these empty courtesies on the program. Congratulations, Siddharth. If it makes you feel good that you won 1 seat in West Bengal.
I've got something harsh to say to him about UP.
No, let's go to the brass tacks, Sabha. We can do the courtesies later. The question is this. I want Shahid Siddiqui to come in.
Arnab, if you want to add, the brass tack remains with Samajwadi Party, who are by state machinery is totally politicized by the Samajwadi
and they
Party,
thrashed you,
looking after one caste and one religion, and it's a right, it's a fact which I'm saying.
What happened in Rajasthan?
Will also
Who has the
accept
state
it.
machinery in Rajasthan?
Yes, Shahid Siddiqui, go ahead. Shahid Siddiqui.
Look, Arnab,
Shahid Siddiqui, please.
I don't
This
agree
is exactly
that
my question.
I don't think that
UP
is a
will
setback.
lose because of
Siddharth, listen.
Arnab Goswami
It's not a
saying
setback
it is a
for Narendra Modi.
polarization. Why did I lose in Rajasthan?
Siddharth, let me speak.
Out of 4, I lose 3 seats.
Let me speak.
Vasundhara Raje ji is one person who will not speak about these things of vote bank politics and other. She is a development lady.
Because
I'm making an argument, an logical argument which you don't want to hear.
On your government.
Shahid Siddiqui is responding one at a time, ladies and gentlemen. One at a
All the
time.
ministers are coming out with their achievements of 100 days. And you always say, if you want to look at development, go to Rajasthan, go to Gujarat, go to Madhya Pradesh. So which means it's a rejection of your development plan.
Arnab, it's not. Let's face the reality. It is still not a setback for Mr. Narendra Modi. People still have faith in Narendra Modi. Still have hopes. Still have dreams. Those dreams have not been shattered as yet. But if the BJP does not understand and does not face the reality, then I am afraid these dreams will be shattered. And if these dreams are shattered, then BJP's hope of coming back again and again will be shattered. Their dream of controlling the Rajya Sabha will be shattered. Their dream of winning in the states will be shattered. So they must face the reality. It's not a vote against Narendra Modi. It's against the whole strategy of BJP and the leadership of BJP, and that is the reality. And let's not give them excuses that in UP there has not been any kind of rigging. if the state machinery is used,
Siddiqui ji,
then in Rajasthan also it has been
you're a
used.
seasoned
Then why is there
politician
loss
and a
in Uttarakhand?
journalist.
Why are they losing
Please
everywhere?
answer me.
If they are losing
UP
everywhere,
you have
then
given.
they
What
must
about
face the
Rajasthan?
reality. Let them look.
Please
look into
make
the
me
mirror.
understand what
Please
about
look into the
Rajasthan.
mirror.
Although
You
Gujarat
are
I don't
doing
take.
utmost
Out of
damage
9
to
we
the
have done
country
well by
and to
gaining
BJP
6.
itself.
What about Gujarat?
Simple answer.
What about Gujarat?
Simple answer, Siddharth. Simple answer. Why don't you realize?
I'm
in
waiting.
today's world, if you care to listen, and by the way, let us not forget, Siddharth, please don't be so angry. It is against your nature, and that's an observation made by you. Why are you getting angry? You win some, you lose some. You won in May, you lost
I'm
today.
not-
It's
I'm
okay.
smiling, I'm
don't take it
laughing.
personally.
What do you want me to
Say
do?
something to Siddharth.
I'm saying tonight, I mean, what has happened to Siddharth Nath Singh tonight?
I'm
What has
showing
happened
my
to
difference
Siddharth
to
Nath
you.
Singh tonight?
Siddharth,
Why is Siddharth Nath
why
Singh
you
turning
want to
so
beat your
aggressive
why
to
are
Sir?
you-
Nothing happened.
Yes,
I'm
Sabha.
smiling.
Siddharth, why are you
I'm
going
laughing
on about
to
the
see my
state
dimple.
machinery? That is the language of losers. Obviously, you are prepared. When you enter an election, there is always a state machinery.
No,
You
Sabha,
had such
I think
tremendous
off
mobilization.
television channels
Are
we
you
both have spoken
anybody
and
would?
I've
This
explained that.
means
So my view is
no.
there
Hear
off
me out,
channel and on
Siddharth.
channel.
Hear me out.
Siddharth,
Hear
listen.
me out. All I'm saying is because you wanted to whip up a certain
Yes.
more people to go out. First of all, nobody got enthused, and the voting percentages were low. So, and they didn't go out to vote. You could not even get the surplus votes of non-traditional castes which went in the Lok Sabha election. They did not come for the assembly election because you just, it's so non-creative. To create something, it takes a little time. There was a fabulous campaign. Mr. Modi won a great victory and government was thrown out. Then you just made things fall apart in Uttar Pradesh. Here was a party and an entire parivar engaged in making things fall apart. Now you, Siddharth, you're in charge of Bengal. There has been a breakthrough for the BJP in Bengal. And I know you yourself have told me how certain Muslims have also joined the party. Now, so the question is, there is a way where you take people along and there is a way when you make
Sabha.
things fall apart. And in
Sabha.
India, we do not want
Sabha.
anything. Yeah.
Sabha, you
Sabha, can I
know, one
answer
thing
you?
is very clear. You have
can I
been
answer
reporting
Mr.
on the
Arnab
ground, and
Goswami
we
will
all
allow
know
me?
this fact. And I think that Siddharth Nath Singh must not be allowed to have any
Sabha.
escape route from the
Can I
subject
answer
today.
this, Sabha?
We all know this, Siddharth. We all know this. We have all been told this, that there have
Arnab,
been meetings
Sabha
of the
has asked me a
BJP
question.
leadership.
Will you allow me?
No, Siddharth, a minute, please. Let us speak, please. We have a democratic right to speak in a free nation.
No,
Thank you very
you
much.
don't allow. Somebody asks me a question, then you say, I will speak first.
You know, she's only
Sabha has
restating the
asked me a
point.
question,
Now,
allow
one
me to
second. You
speak.
want to talk about West Bengal? I won't let you. Want to talk about Uttar Pradesh? Let's talk about Uttar Pradesh. You in May, you
No, I'm not
pitched
talking
Modi
about
for
West
development.
Bengal.
No,
I
in
know
May.
you don't want the
in May,
BJP's
Mr.
victory to
Siddharth
be
Nath Singh. In
spoken.
May.
You want to focus
in
on
May.
Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, I
have
want
no
to
problem.
focus on Uttar Pradesh. You have objections to it? Because it's a surprise. It's the biggest story of the day. You don't want me to talk about it? I want to talk about it. Now I'll tell you this, Siddharth.
Well, let me be honest. The biggest story is still West Bengal. Which you may not concede.
Really? Okay, in May you told, okay, you can believe that. Congratulations for West Bengal, Siddharth. I don't take that away from you. Though I must say that when a leader called Mamta Banerjee is on a political suicide path, she's making things a little easier for you. Now, in May, Ajay Bose has been wanting to come on the debate.
Well, why not Congress? I'm
in
sorry.
May.
I have a question. Why not Congress and the Communist Party?
You want to talk about West
Why not
Bengal?
Congress and
How many
CPM?
seats did you win in West Bengal as opposed to how
I'm
many
not.
did you
I'm
lose in
raising a
Uttar
question
Pradesh?
to you.
Ajay Bose is
Don't
coming.
try to brush it aside.
Ajay Bose.
Don't brush.
Ajay Bose.
Siddharth, answer this question tonight. Siddharth, answer this question. That isn't there a trend now?
Mr. Bose,
after you won the
Mr.
Lok
Bose,
Sabha
if Arnab will allow me
there
to
has been a trend.
answer, please
There-
ask him first.
No, yeah.
Please ask Arnab, will he allow me your question to be answered?
No, listen me out.
But-
No, sorry. I haven't been able to ask a single question today. Yeah,
Go ahead.
please hear me out.
Don't censor
You
it.
know, please answer this question that there has been a trend since the Lok Sabha polls, in all the by-polls,
Yes.
the BJP has been doing badly. Do you admit that there is a trend downwards? And what are you doing to correct it? We are in our perfect right to ask you this question. There has been a trend in all the elections. You've done rather poorly and in some very badly. There is a trend going downwards. What are you doing to correct it?
No, first, will he accept it? Will he accept the trend?
Well,
You accept
Will you
the trend?
accept this?
Well, no. I take your point. I'm taking your point. And yes, there are
at hard
by-elections
facts,
and we haven't done
statistics.
well in the by-election. But But I'm answering that, bhai.
Yeah.
If you
Please answer.
allow me, let me continue further. I'm accepting what you have said, and there is no denial in it, but these are definitely an indication for some course corrections, which we are going to be doing, and it is not for me to answer, that it will be done and the party will move forward on that. And certainly if our message of Sabka
Why
Saath,
aren't you
Sabka
giving me a
Vikas is not
reason?
going well, it will be emphasized properly.
Why aren't you giving? You see,
But
Mr. Siddharth Nath Singh.
local
Mr.
election,
Singh,
trust me,
Mr. Singh, can I? No,
by-elections
Mr.
is
Singh.
nowhere a referendum
Mr.
on
Siddharth
any
Nath Singh,
state,
I think
state government or on the certainly not on the
strategic,
center.
strategic
so we must
decisions.
not try to extrapolate that this is a result or a referendum of 100 days. Our strategies do come and they go, and we need to correct them.
Mr. Singh, you see, first of all, you're raising questions which have not been said. Have we said here it's a referendum on 100 days? No. Have we said it's probably a referendum on Yogi Adityanath's venomous style of politics? Absolutely yes. Right? So you need to accept that fact and you need to move on from there. The bipole elections are part of a trend. This is not an exception. In Bihar, you did badly. In Karnataka, the Congress gained.
No,
in
there
Madhya
I will
Pradesh,
not
the
agree.
Congress gained. In Uttarakhand, the Congress wiped you out.
I don't
in
agree
Punjab, the Congress gained. In Rajasthan, you were wiped out. In Uttar Pradesh, you have been wiped out. And in Gujarat, there has been significant erosion and the Congress gained. Now, you have to be really blindfolded, Siddharth Nath Singh. You have to be thoroughly blindfolded to say, you know what, the media is against us. Some secular chatterati is talking
Mr.
this
Arnab
kind of
Goswami,
talk. You see,
unfortunately,
I thought you live in the real world,
Unfortunately,
Siddharth.
I am neither of that. I am neither of that.
I thought you live in the real world.
I am in the real world. I don't want to be pushed. Well, it's your view. Certainly, you are entitled to hold a view.
What is your view?
Your job is to ask me
Is there a
question, I
difference
will
between
answer
Yogi
them the way I
Adityanath?
feel
Is there a
like.
difference between Modi's line and Yogi Adityanath's line? What is your view? Don't tell me my
Mr.
view.
Arnab Goswami,
Is there a difference in the line of Yogi Adityanath and Modi?
Well, my view, if you wish to listen, I've been trying to tell you. I have been trying to tell you, but you want to push my throat.
Come,
down
give
my
me the
throat,
answer.
That this is because of one person. I cannot accept it because it doesn't make sense and logic in accepting
Mr.
So
you know, your preamble is too long. Why don't you come to the point, Siddharth?
Is not the truth.
What is not the truth? Is there a similarity
coming
or
to the
difference
point. I've
between
said it
Yogi
many times, my
Adityanath's
dear.
line? Is there a similarity or difference between Yogi Adityanath's line and Modi's line?
Well, I will only speak. I am not speaking on the individuals.
Why
Mr.
aren't
Arnab
you
Goswami,
speaking about
because of the
individuals?
individual,
Why?
it doesn't
Are you
make
embarrassed
sense.
about the
Why
individuals?
I have not done well in other
Are you
states?
embarrassed about Yogi
No,
Adityanath?
it's
If
not
so,
a
say
question.
so.
Please explain me.
Say so.
Oh my God.
Are you embarrassed about Yogi Adityanath? Siddharth, come on, tell me. Have you ever heard Yogi Adityanath say, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas? Have you ever heard him say that?
Mr. Goswami, today I am feeling embarrassed because the questions you are raising, you are not allowing me to answer.
I've asked you a question. I'm waiting for an answer.
In last 7-8 years of being a nice guy on the Times Now, and I still remain a nice guy. I like to answer. But I have a logic which I want to put it across.
I am waiting.
You want to pin down on one person, but what about the previous
He is
election?
your person, is he not
The
your main
by-election, I didn't
person?
win.
Shahid
Uttarakhand.
Siddiqui.
I
Shahid
didn't win in
Siddiqui. You
Karnataka.
pinned him
So
down.
how
Did you
do
not
I say
choose
that?
him? Now
That's
you
the
want to
logic you
disown
want to
him?
sum it up.
I want to ask one
I think.
question.
Yeah, Shahid Siddiqui.
I want to ask one question.
Please do.
Yes,
therefore,
Yogi Adityanath has said
the
that he went to
BJP
3 places.
strategy is
He went to 3
always
places.
of
That is Lucknow,
BJP
Noida,
strategy is
and
only
one more place.
one minute.
And they
Good
won all the
governance
and Saharanpur.
and development,
They won all the
which
3
have
places.
been- which is the
now,
message of
does
Narendra
it mean
Modi
that
and we all follow it.
it's a defeat for BJP? It's a defeat for Mr. Modi. It's a defeat for BJP leadership. It's a victory for Yogi Adityanath. I want to ask Mr. Siddharth, is it a victory for Yogi Adityanath? Does he agree with Yogi that wherever he went, they won, and where he didn't go, they lost? Is it correct?
That's what he said.
Shahid Siddiqui ji,
Yes, so,
33 assembly seats is not just UP. So you cannot pin down on one thing. Let me be honest to you. Again, I am requesting. I am being very honest.
Today, in this age of media, you cannot limit anybody to any village, any district, any state. Today, every voice is heard all over the world. This is a different world.
The message is for development and good governance.
Really,
and we continue doing
really,
that.
and I want to know. I want to know what kind of development is it.
Given that message?
I want to know what kind of development is it.
Mr. Goswami, you have not even answered me.
I want to
What
know.
about other states where we have
When you were
Yeah,
attacking
so Siddharth Singh,
were you giving that message?
One
When you were
second.
attacking Sania Mirza, you were not giving that message.
Siddharth, usually I make an observation. Let me come in, please.
have another question.
Let me come in, please. I make an observation. Siddharth Nath Singh says, what about other states? You've not answered my question. Now, in a normal circumstances, Ajay Bose, the question Siddharth Nath Singh would have said, why are you focusing on UP? Because we have won in other states. Today, in a strange situation, Siddharth Nath Singh is being
can't
forced
say
to
that.
ask, why are you focusing only on the loss in one state? Because we have lost in all the states. I mean, that's one of the cruel ironies of tonight, isn't it? But Ajay
I've not
Bose,
said that.
having
I've
said
not
that,
said that.
having said that,
I said we haven't done well.
you know, you've been wiped out in Rajasthan. Now, if that's your definition of not having done well, then I wonder what not doing well would be. My question is very simple.
Certainly not.
Ajay
Winning
Bose,
20,
would you,
25 seat is not a
Ajay
wipe down.
Bose,
This is four,
why are
four
we
assembly
losing
election
everywhere is the
out of four.
question
Yes,
the
we
BJP
have lost.
representative asks.
It is not good, but they are local factors, nothing beyond
he
that.
asks, why are we losing everywhere, not just in UP? Please answer his question.
No, you see, the thing is that Mr. Siddharth Singh is accepting that obviously there's something going seriously wrong. Siddharth is, I think, sensible enough to realize that there's now too many elections and the bipolar results. If you put together, anybody can tell you that BJP has been faring very, very poorly. Now, he is accepting that. But what I can't understand, so a seasoned, sort of commentator and spokesperson for the BJP, why isn't he trying to at least try and understand what could be going wrong for the BJP in so short a time? Because after all, the time is not very long.
Because here is a man.
Look at his opponent.
No, here is
The
a man. You know
Samajwadi
what
Party,
kind of
for God's
tango? You
sake.
think
The Samajwadi Party.
you think he's called a hate monger just like that, Siddharth? Now let me ask you. You think he's called a hate monger just like that? Would you, as one of the more dignified faces of the BJP, I don't pay compliments, you can take that as one tonight, Siddharth, would you say the following? When I ask them to rise and protect our Hindu culture, they obey. These are Yogi Adityanath's words. If I ask for blood, they will give me blood. And I will not stop till I turn Uttar Pradesh and India into a Hindu Rashtra. Would you say that? Would you say Muslims consider terrorists their protectors? Confront them now. Would you say that? You wouldn't. But what you have assumed is that you can draw a line between the central BJP and the UP BJP and outsource the politics of hatred to the UP BJP.
Arnab, you're forgetting another honourable soul called Sakshi Maharaj.
I may
You're
have the
forgetting
same
Sakshi
view,
Maharaj.
but my articulation could be very different.
Really? This is articulation? This
And
is
my
what kind of
would
articulation
be
is
there
that?
is
Even
certainly a
Megha Gandhi is
demographic
What kind of
challenge which
articulation
being
is that?
forced on the
Syed Asim Wakar.
Conversion.
Mr. Wakar
I
wants
will
to
call
say
it
something.
a demographic challenge and accept all the political parties to rise against
Siddharth, there is
the way
opportunity
I
to
want
do
it.
it.
So you can't make me, say something which others are saying or others to say what I wish to say.
You don't
But the
agree with
issue
him, I know you
and
can't
the
say it.
subject does remain the
Siddharth
same.
is also speaking
That's
of
the
a demographic
question.
challenge. So in a way,
Now,
even
whether-
Siddharth
whether-
Nath Singh
no, यहाँ पर
is
जवाब
rely
actually
on a
saying that
33
everything is
seats
only
or-
about the
or 10 or
minority
11
community.
seats of
Come on,
Uttar
Siddharth,
Pradesh.
after
I
such
think that is where
defeat,
we
all
need
of
to
you should
debate.
try and be dignified. You are talking about a demographic challenge. What do all of you talk about? What is this demographic challenge?
What is the demographic
that
challenge?
Muslims exist? Please tell me in your very sophisticated
you're
language as
demonizing
opposed to
one
Yogi Adityanath's language.
Why are
What do you mean by
deliberately
just slipping in the
demonizing
phrase
one
called
community?
demographic
Is
challenge?
this any way to get vote?
You know?
You just
And even you are saying it, you should
demonizing
give
just
up
one
on this.
community.
No, Sabha,
You carry on in some way, in a more sophisticated way or in a crude way. What is the demographic challenge? That there is at Uttar Pradesh in certain parts there are Muslims?
Something which you can.
Is
You
that the
may remain
demographic
in
challenge?
denial.
That is what
Everybody
has been
remain
the
in
beauty of
denial. I don't
India.
want to go to West Bengal.
India is a
That
plural
Mamta is
country.
the
That
honest
has been the
person.
beauty of
But things
India.
are not happening the way everybody thought. There cannot
They're
be
not
a
happening
denial
the way your
that
party
there
thought,
is
Siddharth.
something which
The
is
way
being
your
forced
party thought.
upon
You
in
realize-
the country and people are being used for a religious.
You have lost against a very
religious,
useless government.
conversion.
That in
This
Uttar
is the
Pradesh,
reality.
the
That's all I'm trying to
Samajwadi
make a
Party
point.
is no
You are
model
trying to invoke
government.
religion.
There have been riots. There has been law and order. The BSP is not in the fray. You are supposed to be this victorial party. You've still lost. What it means
That's
is that
exactly
people
the
of
BSP
India
now. Sabha,
do
let me
not
answer.
buy into
You
all
may not like what I'm
this
going to
whole
tell you now.
hate.
And
This
that
is-
is the
you-
logical
One second,
answer
let him
I'm
speak.
giving you.
Pretty shameful.
BSP not contesting assembly election is not a gain for BJP, it is a gain for Samajwadi Party.
Syed
Please
Asim
keep
Wakar
that in
wants to
mind.
say
It's a
one
wrong
thing to you
theory if
tonight.
you all
Mr.
sit
Wakar,
here
go
and think that
ahead.
is the
1
way.
minute left on the debate.
Dalits will vote for you.
2 minutes left. I'm extending this. 2 minutes on the debate. 2 minutes on the debate. Mr. Wakar. Wakar ji कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? Go ahead, Mr. Wakar. जल्दी.
हाँ, देखिए मैं बहुत देर से आप लोग की बात सुन रहा हूँ. सेम बात जो सिद्धार्थनाथ सिंह जी ने कही है वही योगी जी ने कही कि जिस स्टेट में चुनाव होता है जिसकी सरकार होती है उसके पक्ष में जाता है. दूसरी बात ये इन लोगों ने बहुत ज्यादा जोर देकर कही कि पुलिस प्रशासन की वजह से ऐसा हुआ. तो मैं एक बात यहाँ पूरे दर्शकों को साफ कर दूं, जितनी भी ऑडियंस आपकी है, कि आप चाहें तो इन चैनल्स के माध्यम से देख सकते हैं कि जो पोलिंग स्टेशन थे जिन क्षेत्रों में चुनाव हो रहा था वहां पर पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस और सेंट्रल फोर्सेस इतनी ज्यादा भारत सरकार ने भेज दी थी कि हमारी पुलिस जो उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस थी वो हर पोलिंग स्टेशन और हर पोलिंग सेंटर से 100 से 200 मीटर की दूरी पर थी. मेरी इस बात को रीता जी यस करेंगी, शाहिद जी यस करेंगे. दूसरी बात कि अगर इनकी ये कहना है कि
ये
जिसकी
इलेक्शन
सरकार
कमीशन
होती
का
है
नॉर्म है,
उसके
शायद
पक्ष
आप
में.
लोगों को पता
ओके.
है. आप जरा
तो
उनकी वेबसाइट
राजस्थान की बात मैं
100
कर रहा
मीटर का
हूं.
दायरा लिखा जाता है
राजस्थान
कि
की बात
लोकल
कर रहा
पुलिस
हूं.
नहीं रहेगी. ये आपकी जानकारी के लिए
इनसे मैं
बता
पूछ
रहा
रहा
हूं,
हूं.
इसलिए किसी और को ब्लेम
राजस्थान
मत
की.
करिए.
तो
आप
फिर
इस
आप
तरह से
इल्जाम
बात
क्यों लगा
करेंगे
रहे
तो
थे?
आपको लगेगा कि
फिर
आपकी
आप इल्जाम
जानकारी
क्यों
कम
लगा
है.
रहे थे? मैं ब्लेम नहीं कर रहा हूं सिद्धार्थनाथ जी, आपने ब्लेम किया था.
अरे
आपकी
बाबा,
जानकारी
मैं-
ओके.
इलेक्शन में कहीं कितनी जगह
Gentlemen.
नहीं हुआ था, इसलिए ये इल्जाम था.
Gentlemen,
आपके साथ राजस्थान में क्या हुआ है?
Gentlemen, you see, perhaps it is possible.
आपको नकार दिया गया है राजस्थान में भी.
Perhaps it is possible that people who voted for the BJP in the general elections expected something completely different from what the face the BJP projected when it put Yogi Adityanath in front. Some people say there's still time for the BJP to realize its mistake. But that realization cannot be thrust. It has to come from within the BJP. To everyone on the debate this evening, and especially extremely angry Siddharthnath Singh, thank you very much for joining me on this special broadcast. See you on Super Prime Time at 9 p.m. in just a few minutes.